Hello there, welcome back to weather update today. Not really, give me IRL. But you might be able to see it actually. There is some extremely large snowflakes. This was not expected to happen so early. Temperatures just jumped up to 31 and there are definitely some very large snowflakes you can definitely see right here. This is likely to continue in the next couple hours, and things are gonna be probably only getting worse from here. It's rain, snow. This is wild. Hello there, welcome back. The Arctic front passed, and went below freezing, and we're gonna be staying that way for the next couple weeks now. We have near blizzard conditions right now. It looks horrific right now. You can probably see the snowflakes because of how bad it looks right now and how strong these winds are. They're right now sticking to the window. Definitely not a good situation at all. But I'm not expecting much accumulations actually, despite it looking like it's very bad out. But despite that, it's very bad. Ooh, whoops. So yeah, these conditions are very bad. Cannot see very far at all. But this is likely to continue for you can get a grasp on how strong these winds are on this tree, and you can see it's definitely swaying, and it's definitely not the best out there. And this is only day one. We have a couple more systems going to be pulling through the next couple days. We have a total of 4, possibly, and all of those could add up in accumulations the next couple days. Since we're going to be in the stormy pattern, we'll see how much we'll have by next Wednesday. It's expected to be horrific till then. But I'm not expecting these snow accumulations to be over an inch really anymore, as it's expected to be. It's much more short-lived than I thought it would be. It's right now 2 o'clock. We have around 2 hours before it departs. A couple hours ago really, and it stopped for a tiny bit. We had some light snow, and apart from that, looks pretty ugly out there. You can probably see on video how bad it looks out there. Definitely see all these snowflakes that are just going around, flying. Don't really have anything else to say really though. So yeah, that's really it. Hello there, welcome back to this is around 30 minutes later, and conditions have definitely worsened. I can say that with a extremely high degree of confidence, as I cannot even see a quarter mile. This is extremely wild. Visibility is down extremely high. Snow is blowing around. Things are just ugly right now. These conditions are likely to continue for me for the next probably hour and a half. We've been on for 30 minutes now. I don't necessarily see much right now in the way of this stopping, or even temperature has dropped 7 degrees in the past hour. What? So this is definitely near blizzard conditions. I see this with a high degree of confidence, and you can definitely see it. So from that, check on you in like another 30 minutes probably.